Wait, before you spend another dollar on gaming gear, watch this.
Ah! Ah!
Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm hyped to show you the hottest gaming products trending right now. These aren't just cool, they're game changers. Stick around, grab your favorites, and snag the best deals through the links below. Let's go! Most people don't realize they've been watching life happen instead of living it. The Meta Quest 3S 256GB changes that equation entirely. You've felt it, that frustration of laggy experiences, storage running dry mid-game, or headsets that feel like wearing a brick on your face. This fixes all three beautifully. The mixed reality pass-through is shockingly clear. The Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip keeps everything buttery smooth. And 256GB, your entire gaming library breathing freely without constant deletion guilt. Who needs this? Gamers craving deep immersion, families wanting unforgettable shared adventures, creators actively building virtual worlds from scratch. Honest moment? The standalone wireless freedom beats the Quest 2 easily, though PC-tethered setups still edge for ultra-fidelity visuals. The relief of finally owning hardware that genuinely respects your experience, that feeling hits differently. Links are in the description. Your reality upgrade is one click away. Don't just play the game, become it. 70% of gamers never hear the enemy coming because their headset is lying to them. The Razer Kraken gaming headset ends that betrayal instantly. You know that sinking feeling, footsteps missed, teammates unheard, immersion shattered by muddy audio, hours of gameplay ruined by hardware that simply wasn't listening. That stops today. The 50mm custom-tuned drivers deliver positional audio so precise you'll hear danger before it finds you. The cooling gel ear cushions mean marathon sessions without that burning discomfort. The cardioid microphone captures your voice cleanly. No static, no excuses. Who belongs here? Competitive players needing audio precision? Streamers wanting crisp communication? Casual gamers finally choosing comfort seriously. Honest truth, the HyperX Cloud 2 offers similar comfort, but Kraken's THX spatial audio compatibility pulls ahead for immersive gameplay depth. Every great play starts with what you hear first. Stop guessing. Start dominating through sound. A racing game loses nearly half its thrill the moment your thumbs replace your instincts, and that's exactly where the Logitech G29 Driving Force Racing Wheel changes everything. Here's the real problem. Most players hit a ceiling. Controllers feel flat. Corners feel guessed, not driven. Now the shift begins. The Logitech G29 Driving Force Racing Wheel introduces dual-motor force feedback that lets you feel tire slip, weight transfer, and road texture, not imagine it. Grip, resistance, feedback. Every turn pushes back. Every mistake speaks instantly. The build tells its own story. A hand-stitched leather steering wheel, cold metal paddle shifters, a 900-degree rotation that mirrors real cars. But let's be honest, the pedal set? Stiff for beginners. The gear-driven system? Not as smooth as direct drive rivals. Compared to alternatives like Thrustmaster T300 RS, that one offers smoother force but at a higher cost. The G29 stays grounded in value. Who should buy it? Serious beginners, budget sim racers, anyone ready to feel racing, not just play it. Because once your hands learn the road, there's no going back to buttons.
Your Nintendo Switch isn't fragile until the day it collides with reality inside a messy backpack. That's where the Joy-Link large-capacity carrying case for Nintendo quietly becomes essential. Let's address the real struggle. Loose cables, scratched screens, game cartridges disappearing into pockets. Now watch the shift. The Joy-Link large-capacity carrying case for Nintendo is built around one idea. Everything has a place. Console, Joy-Cons, dock, even your growing game library. Inside, it's not just space, it's structure. Layered compartments keep items separated. Soft padding absorbs shocks during travel. That matters more than you think. Cheap cases can literally damage screens if poorly designed. On the outside, it stays calm under pressure. Water-resistant material, zippered security, travel-ready shape. But let's stay honest, it's bulkier than slim cases, not something you casually toss into a small bag. Compared to slimmer options like Orsley or PowerA cases, Joy-Link trades portability for serious storage. Who is this for? Travelers, collectors, anyone tired of carrying gear in pieces. Because once your setup travels as one, chaos stops following you.
One tiny speck of dust can ruin a $300 gaming screen, and most people don't even see it coming. That's the real frustration. You buy a Nintendo Switch 2, you try installing a screen protector, and suddenly, bubbles, misalignment, fingerprints trapped forever. Here's where things flip. The Auto Alignment One Touch for Nintendo Switch 2 removes the guesswork entirely. It's not just a Nintendo Switch 2 screen protector, it's a guided system. Watch how it changes the experience. Drop it in, press once, done in about 30 seconds. No shifting, no crooked edges. Protection isn't sacrificed either. Tempered glass with 9H hardness resists scratches and daily wear. The ultra-clear surface keeps visuals sharp and touch response instant. But let's stay grounded. It's slightly pricier than basic films, and the alignment tray adds a bit of bulk during install. Compared to standard manual protectors or brands like Etchazove, the one-touch system wins on simplicity, while others may offer extras like blue light filtering. Who should buy this? New console owners, perfectionists, anyone tired of reapplying protectors twice. Because the moment installation stops being stressful, you finally protect your screen before it's too late.
Most gamers don't realize this. The controller you hold shapes your performance more than the console you play on. And that's exactly where the custom Controllerzz wireless controller for Xbox starts to matter. Here's the hidden problem. Standard controllers feel identical. No personality, no edge tailored to your playstyle. Now the shift happens. The custom Controllerzz wireless controller for Xbox isn't built from scratch. It's crafted from genuine Xbox hardware, then transformed into something personal and performance-focused. Feel the difference immediately. Wireless freedom across Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, and PC. Responsive triggers, familiar ergonomics, but visually and tactically upgraded. But the real hook? Customization. Colors, thumbsticks, shell designs, millions of combinations. Let's be real though, you're paying more for aesthetics, and features stay close to a standard controller unless upgraded. Compared to the Xbox Elite Series 2, that one leans heavily into pro-level tuning, while custom controllers focuses on identity and feel. Who should buy this? Gamers tired of blending in. Players who want their gear to reflect them. Because when your controller finally feels like yours, the game feels different too.
There's a hidden reason your desk never feels right. Most keyboards fight your hands instead of flowing with them. And the Redragon K681 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard quietly fixes that. Here's the everyday frustration. Cables everywhere. Keys that sound harsh. Layouts that waste space. Now the shift begins. The Redragon K681 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard brings tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, and wired, so your setup finally adapts to you, not the other way around. Then comes the feel. Gasket-mounted structure, soft, elastic keystrokes, less fatigue during long sessions. Every press feels controlled, not loud, not hollow, just clean. Customization pulls you deeper. Hot swappable switches, RGB lighting with millions of colors, a volume knob that simplifies control mid-game. But let's stay real. The 75% layout takes adjustment, and wireless users may need time to find their preferred mode. Compared to boards like Royal Kludge RK84, that one leans lighter and simpler, while the K681 Pro leans richer in feel and sound. Who should buy this? Gamers, writers, anyone building a clean, flexible desk. Because when your keyboard finally disappears beneath your fingers, you start noticing everything else improve.
The difference between hearing a game and understanding it is just one sound cue. And the HyperX Cloud 3 wired gaming headset is built for that exact moment. Here's the real issue players face. Footsteps blend into noise. Teammates sound distant. Long sessions turn uncomfortable fast. Now, everything sharpens. The HyperX Cloud 3 wired gaming headset uses angled 53mm drivers tuned for directional clarity, so you don't just hear action, you place it. Then comes immersion. DTS spatial audio expands the soundstage. Enemy movement becomes traceable, not guessed. Comfort quietly carries the experience. Signature memory foam, soft leatherette cushions, hours pass without pressure building up. Communication stays clean. A noise-canceling 10mm microphone filters distractions, keeping your voice focused. But let's be honest, bass isn't overpowering, more precise than cinematic. And wired means less freedom, more reliability. Compared to wireless headsets or even HyperX Cloud Alpha, this one leans into clarity and consistency over extra features. Who should buy it? Competitive players, daily gamers, anyone tired of missing audio details. Because once sound starts guiding your instincts, you stop reacting late and start moving first.
That's the HyperX Cloud 3 wired gaming headset. Clean sound, clear comms, and long-lasting comfort that actually changes how you play. If you've been missing footsteps or feeling late in fights, this fixes the gap fast. It's not about more noise, it's about better awareness. Upgrade your audio and your gameplay follows instantly. Subscribe and like the video. I don't care how you do that. Throw a gaming chair on the button or a controller, it's up to you. Thanks for watching. See you next video.